up, guys? Today's Sunday, and today we're gonna finish bleeding the brakes. We're gonna be putting on the up pipe, and then I got some Velcro strap, I'm gonna put that on the catch can, because I can't, for right now, I can't find anything to actually like hold it down, mount it down. So I just thought, why not just use that? So I'm gonna end up using that, and it'll be fine. I don't think it'll go anywhere. All right, so we're about to bleed the brakes now and put some pressure. All right, so I got this V-band clamp from Amazon, some Evil something, I don't know. They're pretty good with fittings and stuff. There's like 4 fittings I have up there that are good. So I just got this for the meantime, just so I can put the pipe on, just to like clamp it down for the meantime. I'm actually gonna just run the O2 sensor. It's gonna look ugly because it's there, but obviously when you get the new pipe, I'm gonna hide it somewhere. But let's put this on real quick. I got the V-band on. It's on there. Gonna just tighten it up, and then I'm gonna run the O2 sensor through here somewhere, and then plug it right there. When I get my original pipe, I'm gonna end up putting the O2 sensor like in the bottom. So basically, took it out the way, but yeah, we got it on. All right, got the wideband O2 sensor in. Running all crazy for now. Right here, I did some hood ghetto rig, not ghetto rig, but actually kind of smart. I couldn't find a battery tie down for this, and the regular battery tie down is too tall for this because the battery obviously is taller. So you can't clamp this down because the battery tie down is bigger. So I got some Velcro like stickers from Amazon. They hold 10 pounds. So I put 2 right here and 2 back there. I'm literally tugging this thing hard as hell. It's not coming out. It's not going nowhere. So we're good on that. So I'm now gonna turn the car real quick. Yeah, see what happens. I'm gonna actually take this off first. I have the hood latch line, so I'm gonna do that. I had to run this line right here also, because there's a port back here, a manifold, as you guys can see. I gotta take that out to run the push lock, but I don't have it right now, so I just put a hose in it and cover it because there's a big ass vacuum leak right there. But yeah, I'm gonna take this out. My dad's fixing that brake line over there. And then we'll turn it on, and I'm gonna actually move this to this side so I can put my antifreeze overflow bottle right there, and it'll look a lot better. So, just trying to get little things done. Alright, just ran my new hood latch through there. I just fished it out through here. Just passed it to my dad. Now he got it. So what I want to do with these also right here are, I have these little clips. So I'm gonna hook them up to here, and then just possibly just like drill them up here just so they could be out the way. Right, hood latch is on, wire is on. I don't think I have anything underneath the car. I tightened that bolt that I was telling you guys where I was leaking from. I tightened it down a little bit more. I was able to tighten a little bit more. And I just realized this shit is super close. I don't even know if it's gonna be an issue, but it's top mount, so like I'm pretty sure everybody deals with it. But that shit is so close to touching, like literally so close to touching. As you can see, but I think I'll be fine. Yeah, like you guys can see it from right here. I think if I turn the camera. Sheesh, look how close that is. It's the drain. Well, gotta make it work. This is good because it goes straight down, and there's no kinks, and there's no like going back up. As you guys can see, there's a straight shot, so no drainage back up there. Yeah, everything is good. I'm actually gonna take this off right now also before I start the car. I'm gonna place it somewhere here so I can put my reservoir Hennessy bottle right there. I'll be chilling. Alright, put my overflow bottle right here. Thing ain't going nowhere. So it should be back there. Let me put it here. Better location. I got this hose when I run it like behind here and stuff. Whatever, it ain't that bad. But gonna run it with this in here like that. So I'm just letting the gun charge over there so I can take the cap, which I don't even know what the fuck I just did with it, but to make it bigger. Oh, it's right here. So I gotta drill it out literally that much, like the inside, so the holes could fit in there. All about the details, baby. Alright, gonna start it up. Alright, so far, we'll see if it works. Let's see. Neutral, the car, you took the jacks, oh, but you didn't take the jacks off, hold on. Alright, let's try this again. I'm gonna check how much air far is on. Prime it again. It ain't too bad, it's just all over the place. Testing out the brakes, but the brakes right now are too, I feel like they're too soft. They're stopping all the way to the, they're stopping like all the way on the floor. Not on the floor, but like lower than usual, I guess. I don't know if that's how it is with steel braided lines, when you change from stock to steel braided lines. But it still feels a little like, I don't know. I definitely gotta get used to this clutch. So I can move the car a little bit, but definitely gotta get used to this fucking clutch. This shit is great. Alright, so running into an issue now where the brakes were good. They were just a little too squishy feeling, I guess. We just took off the brake booster line and put it back on. When we did that, the boost, well, when I step on the brakes, when the car is on, the brakes go soft, super soft, and they go like all the way to the floor and like come up super slow. So we don't know if now the brake booster is bad also. We don't even know that if that's the issue now also. So we're trying to do shit one by one, trying to diagnose shit one by one. I don't know, man, but it's always something with this fucking car, man. Well, see what we can figure out. Alright, back to some stupid shit. Spoke to Spanky, my builder. He says I'm losing pressure when the car turns on. Brakes are good when they're off. They're still a little squishy, but once I turn the car on, literally, I could even crank the car. If I'm holding the pedal, as soon as I crank it, if I go choo-choo-choo, the pedal will go. If I turn the car on, it goes again. So it's like losing complete vacuum. I think it's definitely that. I'm just gonna go end up buying a brand new one from AutoZone. It's like $130, which is not bad. I wanted to do the braking on the motor. I don't know if we're gonna have enough time. Hopefully I have enough time. AFRs are good. They're like, it was like 11 to like 16, 17. As long as it's not reaching like 20 AFR or like 30, whatever. It's all over the place, but it's in between. So he said I should be fine to do oil, to break in the oil and do the oil change. I have the oil right here. The oil I'm gonna use, I have it right there. I just didn't get to get an oil filter, so I'm just gonna end up getting an oil filter from AutoZone, and then just go from there. What do you think?
I didn't think you broke.
So this is the seal. I mean, it's old. It's from 98. So I'm thinking this might be the reason, because there's no other reason why I would be losing pressure, to be honest. I don't think there's any other reason. My dad took off the brake booster line and put his finger on it and was holding it, and I was stepping on the brakes and it was still losing pressure. Unless it's like the brake booster itself on the inside that's messed up. So I mean, it's something with vacuum. So definitely something somewhere. I mean, it could be something so small that we don't see that could be making it leak. No, we'll see. My dad took the brake booster and the seal off. We're gonna see if it actually creates boost of vacuum, because he said it wasn't creating any type of. It was creating vacuum, but not so much. So let's see. Start it. So look at this guy. Look at this. Look at my foot. All the way to the floor. Look. No pressure at all. Shit is dead. It's completely dead. Huh? But that's what it feels like. No, I'm making a video explaining that's exactly what it feels like. You need to. Alright, right now I'm breaking in the motor. And I'm actually gonna let it run to see if maybe the brake booster builds some type of vacuum. Maybe I need to leave it on for a certain period of time so it's actually build pressure. Yeah, and then we'll see from there. So I'm just gonna keep going and just wait and see what happens. 151 right now. I'm just giving it gas back up and down and shit. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the brake booster. I'm an idiot. Sorry guys, I forgot to. Huh? I'm gonna go get the brake booster. I know I'm an idiot. I didn't film the braking process of the car starting and shit, but I'm letting the oil drain. I'm gonna go get the brake booster now. I'm not gonna give him mine because they say God forbid it's not the brake booster. I could just return them that and they would just give me my money back hopefully. So alright guys, I'm back from AutoZone. Jesus Christ, what the hell? Yeah, I'm back from AutoZone. We got a brake booster. Fucking little upset about the brake booster. Obviously is remanufactured or whatever. But that's not the reason really. It's because this shit comes with like raw metal and it's gonna get fucking dirty, so I'm gonna have to put this on, see if it actually makes a difference. I'm not gonna do it today because I don't think I'm having enough time. I gotta still drain this oil and everything. Oh shit. But like, it's raw fucking metal. It's gonna get, as soon as water gets on it, it's gonna get like that. I'm gonna have to primer it, paint it. I'm actually gonna have to put it on, primer it, do all this shit, and then take it off. But I'm not gonna do this today. I'm gonna do the oil because the oil is obviously more important. I need to make sure this oil is off. I'm an idiot. I know I didn't get to show you guys like the breaking in, how long I left the car on. I don't know. I was in focus mode, and I literally be forgetting shit like that. But at least we got to break in the motor. So I turned it off a little bit before time, because it started to get like I started seeing that it was looked like it was going a little lean there. So I didn't want to run it for too long or whatever. So yeah, for the most part we're good. So I'm gonna actually go now and dump out this oil. Oh. Fuck, man. Huh? The fucking gun got oil on it.
The what? The gun?
Yeah. Damn, this fucking oil is coming out crazy.
Fast?
Like water.
Yeah, like water.
Is that normal?
Yeah, it's normal because it's new oil.
I've never seen oil come out like that.
Yeah, because you didn't drop the new oil like that. You just started it now. And that's it. And then a couple of times before. That's it.
Dude, this oil came out so fast, like water, that I got scared, but this oil hasn't even been break down. Literally, like I put it in and just took it right out.